Good morning, accountants and managers. So, nandito ka pa rin sa playlist ng Transaction Effects on the Basic Accounting Equation. So, inaalam natin kung ang transaction ba ay nakaapekto ng increase, decrease, or hindi nakaapekto sa accounting equation natin na elements, which are assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Okay? So, start na natin sagutan tong case na to. So, sa number 1, deposited 146,200 in a bank account in the name of the business, Buendia Photo Profiles. So, yung asset ba natin ay nadagdagan o nabawasan? So, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng cash. Okay? Yung liabilities naman ay no effect dahil hindi nagkautang or nangutang yung business base sa transaction. Yung owner's equity naman natin ay nadagdagan dahil may investment. So, pagka-investment yung transaction, laging ganyan yung effect niya. Okay? Next naman natin, bought new photography equipment on account from Canon Equipment. Ang halaga ay 71,210. So, namili daw ng bagong photography equipment. Therefore, nadagdagan yung asset natin. Okay? Yung liabilities naman natin ay nadagdagan din dahil yung photography equipment na yun ay inutang lang. Sabi kasi dyan sa transaction on account. Okay? Kaya nadagdagan or nag-increase yung ating liabilities. So, owner's equity, no effect siya dahil wala namang investment, income, withdrawal, or expense. Next naman natin sa 5, invested personal photography equipment into the business. So, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng personal photography equipment. Yung business. Then, yung liabilities naman natin ay no effect. Yung owner's equity ay nadagdagan dahil may investment. Okay? Yung ine-invest ng owner ng business, hindi lang siya tumutukoy sa cash. Okay? Pwede rin siya tumukoy sa mga properties tulad ng equipment, gaya ng naging transaction na ito. Okay? So, sa 6 naman, paid office rent for the month, 5,500. Nabawasan yung asset natin dahil nabawasan yung cash. Okay? Yung liabilities naman ay no effect dahil hindi naman natin utang yung rent na yun. Okay? At hindi tayo nakabayad ng utang dahil dyan sa transaction na yan. Sa owner's equity ay nag-decrease or nabawasan dahil may expense. Next natin sa 8, bought photography supplies for cash, 7,960. Okay, so yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng supplies. Okay, pero yung cash natin ay nabawasan din. Okay, kaya sa total asset, ang effect niya ay did not change. Okay, though nadagdagan ng supplies, pero dahil nabawasan ng cash, yung effect niya sa asset ay wala. So sa liabilities ay no effect dahil nga binayaran natin ng cash, and then sa owner's equity ay no effect din dahil walang investment, walang income, withdrawal at expense. Next naman natin, paid premium for insurance cover on photography equipment, 1,240. So, nagbayad daw tayo ng insurance. So, yung asset natin ay nabawasan dahil nabawasan yung ating cash. Yung liabilities naman ay no effect dahil hindi naman natin utang yung insurance na yun. At yung owner's equity naman ay nabawasan dahil meron tayong expense. So, yung expense na yun ay insurance expense. Next naman natin, sa 15, receive 8,960 as professional fees for services rendered. So, nag-render daw or nag-perform tayo ng services at binayaran yung business ng 8,960. So, ibig sabihin, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nadagdagan yung cash. Yung liabilities ay no effect dahil hindi naman nagkautang or nakabayad ng utang yung business base sa transaction. Yung owner's equity naman ay nadagdagan dahil mayroong income. Next naman natin, si 16, paid Canon equipment part of the amount owned on the purchase of photography equipment, 4,200 pesos. Okay? So, di ba nung 3, tayo ay namili ng photography equipment pero utang muna. Ang halaga nun, 71,210. Ngayon, nung 16, tayo ay nagbabayad na. Okay? So, yung asset natin ay nabawasan dahil nabawasan yung cash. Yung liabilities natin ay nabawasan dahil nagbayad nga tayo ng utang. Yung owner's equity ay no effect dahil wala namang investment, income, withdrawal at expense. Next, nung 22, received 15,480 as professional fees for services rendered. Okay? So, nag-render daw tayo ng services pagkatapos nakatanggap ulit yung business ng amount na 15,480. So, yung asset ay nadagdagan dahil nadagdagan yung cash. Liabilities ay no effect. And then, yung owner's equity ay nadagdagan dahil may income. Next, 27. Paid for minor repairs to photography equipment. So, pina-repair yung photography equipment at nagbayad yung business ng 760. Yung asset ay nabawasan dahil nga may binayaran, nabawasan yung cash. Yung liabilities naman ay no effect. And then, yung owner's equity ay nabawasan dahil nabawasan yung expense. Nakabawas yung expense. Next natin, sa 31, Buendia withdraw cash for personal use. So, withdrawal transaction ito, nabawasan yung asset natin dahil nag-withdraw yung may-ari. Yung liabilities naman ay no effect. Owner's equity, nabawasan dahil may withdrawals. So, patuloy pa rin tayong magsasagot ng mga transaction analysis on the basic accounting model. Okay? Kung naintindihan mo na yung explanation at kaya mo na magsagot ng transaction analysis, pwede mo nang i-stop yung video na to. Pero kung hindi pa naman, pwede mo pa itong ipagpatuloy. Okay? So, magsagot ulit tayo. Sa number 1, Jimeno deposited 165,000 in a bank account in the name of the business. So, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng cash, which is 165,000 pesos. Yung liabilities naman ay no effect dahil hindi naman nagkautang or nakabayad ng utang yung business base sa naging transaction. Yung owner's equity ay nadagdagan dahil may investment. Next naman natin, bought a service vehicle from Rivera Motors for 194,000 pesos, paying 25,000 pesos in cash and placing the balance in account. Okay, medyo confusing tong 3, pero i-analyze natin ng mabuti, part by part. So, yung una ay bumili ng service vehicle, ang halaga ay 194,000 pesos. Okay, so basically, nadagdagan yung ating asset ng 194,000 pesos na service vehicle, pero yung sumunod na naging transaction ay paying 25,000 pesos in cash. So, nabawasan yung cash ng 25,000 pesos. So, kung i-analyze natin yung asset, kung nagkaroon ba ng increase, decrease, or wala namang naging epekto, 194,000 pesos na halaga ng service vehicle na nadagdag at nabawasan ng 25,000 pesos na cash. So, sa total asset, ito pa rin ay nadagdagan. So, yun yung difference ng halaga ng service vehicle at yung ibinayad na cash na 25,000 pesos. Yung liabilities naman natin ay nadagdagan din kasi base dun sa huling phrase, and placing the balance in account. Ibig sabihin, mula dun sa ibinayad na 25,000 pesos, yung balance ay utang muna. Okay? So, yung owner's equity naman natin ay no effect dahil walang investment, walang income, wala ring withdrawals, at walang expense. Next naman natin sa 5, bought catering equipment on account from De La Vega Equipment, 28,500. Okay? So, namili raw ng catering equipment pero hindi muna nagbayad. Okay? Kasi nandun yung salitang on account. Okay, so yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng catering equipment yung business. Yung liabilities ay nadagdagan dahil inutang muna ito. Then, yung owner's equity ay no effect. Next, paid rent for the month. Yung asset natin ay nabawasan dahil nga nagbayad ng renta para sa buwan na yun, nabawasan yung ating cash. Yung liabilities naman ay no effect dahil hindi naman utang yung binayaran. At hindi tayo nagkautang dahil sa transaction. At decrease naman para sa owner's equity dahil may expense. Rendered catering services for cash for the first half of the month, 24,200. So, yung service kasi na ino-offer ng business na to ay catering services. At nag-perform sila ng services na yun para sa unang kalahating buwan at nakatanggap yung business ng 24,200. Okay, so yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng cash. Liabilities, no effect. And then, owner's equity, nadagdagan dahil mayroong income. Okay, next natin, bought supplies for cash. So, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan ng supplies, pero nabawasan din naman ng cash ng halaga ay 1,800. Kaya sa kabuuan ng asset ay no effect. So, namili daw kasi tayo ng supplies, pero nagbayad din tayo ng cash. Okay? So, sa liabilities ay no effect kasi nga nagbayad naman tayo. Owner's equity, no effect dahil merong expense. Dahil walang expense, income, investment, at withdrawals. Next naman natin sa 19, bought insurance for the service vehicle for 1 year. So, 4,000 pesos. So, namili daw tayo ng insurance. So, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan, 4,000 pesos, prepaid insurance. Okay? Pero, nabawasan din yung cash natin kasi nagbayad tayo ng pera. Okay? Nung tayo ay namili. So, no effect for the asset. Next naman, yung liabilities ay no effect dahil hindi naman natin inutang yung insurance. And then, owner's equity, no effect dahil walang investment, walang income, withdrawals, at expense. Then, 22, received and paid the utilities bill 6,040. Okay? So, nakatanggap daw tayo ng bill at binayaran na rin natin yung utilities. So, 6,040, yung asset ay nabawasan dahil nabawasan yung cash. Liabilities ay no effect dahil nga binayaran. And then, owner's equity ay nabawasan dahil may expense. So, dito naman sa 23, receive a bill from ABM Gas for gas and oil used by the service vehicle for the month 6,080. Okay? So, nakatanggap daw tayo ng bill sa ABM Gas para sa gas and oil na ginamit ng service vehicle para sa buwan na yun. So, yung asset natin ay no effect kasi sabi dyan, receive lang. Nakatanggap lang ng bill, pero hindi sinabing binayaran katulad ng 22, receive and paid. So, sa 23, sinabi, natanggap lang, pero hindi agad binayaran. Okay, so yung asset ay no effect dahil nga hindi nagbayad. Yung liabilities na dagdagan dahil naging utang natin iyon. Nung moment na hindi natin siya binayaran. Okay, then owner's equity na bawasan dahil mayroong expense. Okay, so i-take note mo yan yung receive and paid or yung naka-receive lang. Kapag ka-receive and paid, nabawasan yung cash. Pero kapag na-receive lang yung bill at hindi naman in-state na binayaran, madadagdagan yung ating liabilities. Next, 27, rendered catering services for cash for the remainder of the month, 25,200. Okay, nag-render or nag-perform ulit ng services at nagbayad yung mga customer. So, yung asset natin ay nadagdagan dahil nagkaroon ng cash. Yung liabilities, no effect, and then yung owner's equity naman ay nadagdagan dahil mayroong investment. Then next naman natin sa 29. Paid salaries of the part-time assistants, 11,200 pesos. So, yung nagbayad daw tayo ng sahod ng mga part-time assistant. So, yung asset ay nabawasan dahil nagbayad nga ng sahod. And then, yung liabilities naman ay no effect. Owner's equity, nabawasan dahil mayroong expense. At syempre, hindi papahuli yung ganitong klaseng transaction na yung owner ay nag-withdraw ng pera. Okay, yung asset natin ay nabawasan dahil nabawasan yung cash. Liabilities, no effect dahil wala namang naging utang or hindi nakabayad ng utang base sa transaction. At yung owner's equity naman ay nabawasan dahil mayroong withdrawals. Okay? So, sana mas naintindihan mo pa yung transaction analysis on the basic accounting model.